Tired of power outages disrupting your life? Wouldn't it be great to have reliable electricity at all times? From homes to hospitals, power is essential for daily life. Meet Heimel Trade Link Private Ltd. High-quality generators that provide dependable backup power. With expert servicing and genuine parts, Heimel Trade Link keeps you powered, no matter the situation. How it works. Heimel Trade Link Private Limited ensures reliable electricity in Nepal by supplying top-quality generators, offering expert maintenance, providing genuine spare parts, delivering 24/7 emergency support to keep homes, businesses, and industries running without interruption. Plus, our services ensure uninterrupted power for your peace of mind. Uninterrupted power supply ensures reliability for homes, businesses, and industries. Expert maintenance guarantees optimal performance and longevity of electrical systems. Access to genuine spare parts ensures quality and compatibility with existing systems. 24/7 support provides peace of mind and immediate assistance whenever needed. Cost-effective electricity solutions help in managing expenses while ensuring efficiency. Sounds great. Powering Nepal with dependable solutions. Heimel Trade Link Private Limited.